Unity 2021 LTS delivers powerful improvements to workflows, rendering capabilities, and platform support to help you realize your creative ambitions. New enhancements prioritize quality, productivity, and performance for any platform, genre, or artistic style. Unity 2020 LTS is now the legacy version. It will be updated monthly until it reaches the end of its support cycle in mid-2023. Unity 2019 LTS is approaching its end of life, and the last supported update is scheduled for the release in the beginning of June. Design engaging user interfaces. UI Toolkit is a collection of features and tools for developing user interfaces and editor extensions. It now supports the authoring of runtime UI, so you can use it to create UI for games and applications. Inspired by web technologies, UI Toolkit offers an intuitive authoring experience to help artists and designers get started faster with dedicated tools like the UI Builder and UI Debugger. Improved world building and environments. Creating high-fidelity environments for your game can be a massive undertaking. Terrain Tools is now verified and includes new terrain stamping brushes, refined material painting controls, GPU instancing capabilities for terrain details, and speed tree integration. See some of the latest updates in action with the newly released Unity Terrain demo scenes shared in the description for high-definition render pipeline and universal render pipeline. Create stunning 2D experiences. Sprite Atlas version 2 now supports folders and has 2 new APIs for a more efficient sprite packing, while Sprite Swap's integration into the Unity editor workflow offers better sprite organization. 2D PSD Importer improved usability and has features to turn layers or groups into sprites. 2D animation includes UX improvements in the skinning editor, plus you can now reuse existing character skeletons with the 2D PSD importer. See the new graphics features for URP and get the 2D URP template directly from the hub. Try the new 2D light and camera sorting layer texture nodes in Shader Graph, work with sprite visualization option in the main preview, access 2D lights in the Light Explorer window, and more. Render with quality and flexibility. URP has enhanced support for decals, improved SSAO, light cookies, light anchors, light layers, and lens flares, plus refined implementation of reflection probes. You can now also use either forward or deferred rendering paths to balance between performance and quality of real-time lights on all platforms, including mobile. AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution FSR is also available on supported platforms, including mobile. HDRP introduces volumetric clouds and cloud layers for creating dynamic skies. You'll also find improved lighting with dynamic pre-baked, real-time, and baked global illumination, light anchors, and lens flares. Plus, boost performance with burstified render loop, mixed cast shadow maps, and upsampling technologies. Creative control with artist-friendly tools. Use HDRP tessellation from Shader Graph to add dynamic details to meshes or create waves or traces in snow or sand. With Shader Graph's new custom interpolators and vertex animation functionalities, you can create effects like flapping wings or wobbling particles. VFX Graph is now officially supported on PC and consoles for URP and 2D, with better support for mobile compute-capable devices. Interacting with data is more powerful with skin mesh sampling, an SDF baking tool, and graphics buffer support. Create gameplay logic without writing lines of code. Unity Visual Scripting empowers creators to develop gameplay mechanics or interaction logic using a visual, graph-based system instead of writing lines of traditional code. In 2021 LTS, visual scripting is available natively within the editor, so artists, designers, and programmers alike can get started faster. Artists and designers can create visual scripts to test ideas, make changes, and maintain more control over their work. Programmers can also make use of custom nodes and graphs to empower their team to streamline collaboration. Produce beautiful cinematics. Sequences is available to build and organize timelines, while Recorder is verified and supports new codecs like Apple ProRes. We've also integrated AOV recording, path tracing, and accumulation motion blur. You can now use Cinemachine's simplified impulse to reduce the complexity of connecting cameras to events. The latest release of Alembic supports streaming an Alembic file from an arbitrary location. Both powered by Live Capture, Unity Face Capture is a new app that allows facial animation without an animator, while Unity Virtual Camera uses a mobile device to drive a camera in the scene. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the content, like and subscribe for more.